Good afternoon, my friends. How are you guys today? Guys, you know what? I decided to pop by to talk to people about Puravive. Actually, this is a magnificent natural supplement that hit the market to do, guess what? Help you to lose weight. You know, they're not like, people don't like to wait around, do gym workouts and diets, things that take forever to lose weight. People want to lose weight now, today, and luckily we have Puravive here that can really get the job done. So if you're looking to lose weight, become 100%, fitter, more beautiful, more full of life and energy, you need to stay with me up to the last second of this video because I will share everything regarding Puravive, and I do not want you to miss out on important details and infos about it, okay? But guys, without further ado, Puravive has an official webpage, which if you're looking to get it, you just have to make sure that you're going directly to the original one, because unfortunately today there's so many people on the internet trying to take advantage of things and selling fakes, and you have to be careful, right? So I want you to get the original Puravive, the one that actually delivers amazing results. So I already left for you guys the link to their official webpage just below this video in the description box, whereas you don't have to be surfing the internet. You can just click there and go directly there, okay? But guys, you see, a lot of people need to know what goes into creating Puravive, and it's only top-notch, high-quality ingredients. Kudzu, propolis, quercetin, holy basil, we get white Korean ginseng, and guess what? All of these ingredients, like only natural ingredients goes into creating it, so it doesn't have like GMOs or toxins, which is amazing, right? Because then you're going to be like totally healthy. And all of these ingredients have something in particular in common. They are all going to boost your BAT levels. BAT is your brown adipose tissue. It is an enzyme in your body that is responsible into shrinking fats. So if your body is running very low on BAT levels, then it makes it really hard for your body to melt those fats off, and you're just storing fats rather than melting them off, right? So with Puravive, you will be increasing your BAT levels, and once that enzyme is fixed, your body can naturally let go of stubborn fats. But of course, you do have a lot of other benefits you get out of Puravive. I mean, with this amazing blend of really great, 8, ingredients, you guys are going to be also supporting your cardiovascular system, taking care of your sugar blood balance, Also, it's going to support your brain power. It's got all the antioxidants and anti-inflammatories that your body needs in order to really support its health. So Puravive today, people who already used it, they totally recommend it. People who are using it, they are really happy with it. So if you are ready to lose weight, raise your energy, fix up your immunity, just have a health that is really incredible, then you have to remember to take Puravive on a regular daily basis, because it's recommended to do 3 to 6 months treatment, guys, and please no interruptions, because we're talking about a natural supplement here. So yes, it's normal that it does take a few days for your body to take it all in, but once it's really adapted to it, every day you're going to be getting results after results, which is pretty amazing. And also, do not worry about losing your money, because you are backed with a 180-day money back guarantee. So if at some point you do need a refund because it's not really happening for you, just go to the official webpage, request a refund, and they're going to help you out. All right? So are you ready to lose weight at the sanctuary of your home? Visit this link right here. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have an incredible day, and I'll see you folks next time. Bye.